Hello everyone, I'm here to present the new R25 trimmer head that will be supplied with the new 215 IL model trimmer. This trimmer head will also replace the T25 trimmer head on all 100 series petrol trimmers, both with curved and straight shaft. The trimmer head will be supplied with whisper twist, and from next year we will supply all T25 heads with whisper twist as well. So make sure that you increase your pre-orders of the whisper twist line. As Carl-Johan mentioned, this trimmer head is feed from outside. I will show you how easy it is to refill this trimmer head. Just make sure that the arrows are pointing to each other here. Then you have a sign saying line in to this eyelet. So you take the end of the line, put it in the eyelet, push it through, take the end of the line, pull it halfway through, then just start to turn the knob, and there, refilled in less than 30 seconds, you're ready to go again with your trimmer. Remember to encourage the dealers to put up some extra donuts with the whisper twist line together with this trimmer head. It will sell super.